Hello everyone, welcome back to our daily German learning series. Before we start today's lesson, let's do a quick review of day 2.
Guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend, tschüss, Entschuldigung.
Awesome, great job if you got those right. Now, let's move on to day 3.
Ich
Means, I. Example,
Ich bin müde.
I am tired.
Ich liebe Kaffee.
I love coffee. Easy one, right? When you're talking about yourself, use this.
Du
Means, you, when talking to a friend, family member, or someone your age in a casual setting. Example,
Du bist nett.
you are nice.
Wie heißt du?
What is your name? Think of this as the friendly version of you.
Er
Means, he. Example,
ist mein Freund.
he is my friend.
Spielt Fußball.
He plays soccer. Whenever you're talking about a male person, use this.
Sie
Means, she. Example,
Sie ist Lehrerin.
she is a teacher.
Sie kommt aus Deutschland.
She comes from Germany. Talking about a female person, use this.
Wir
Means, we. Example,
Wir lernen Deutsch.
we are learning German.
Wir sind glücklich.
We are happy. If you're talking about yourself and other people together, use this. Before we finish our lesson, let's do a quick review.
Ich, du, sie, wir.
Can you say this sentence?
Wir lernen Deutsch.
It means, we are learning German. And that's exactly what we're doing. See you soon for day 4. Bye.